Lot number 3587A. It's August 20th, 2018. This is a 1995 Yamaha Wave Venture 700. We're parting this machine out. The reason for the teardown is the mag side cylinder has 0 pounds of compression. The PTO side is 150. If you want to buy parts off this machine, give Martos Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. We list all of our parts on eBay, or you can call us and buy parts direct. Here it's got a 700 engine in it. The gauge does work. It's got 137 hours on it. It's got really good spark. It's just got a little compression. I'll turn it over here. Bear with my video. Plug the tether cord in. Hook up our deep cycle battery. And hit the start button. Spark is really good. It's a Minnesota freshwater boat. 2018 stickers on it. Hood's in fairly good shape. Seats are fair shape. Jet pump in the back. Got reverse. Thanks for stopping by.